Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another Craftydares, and this week we were to use stars, Happy New Year, and free choice. Craftydares is a Instagram group that a bunch of ladies or gents can also join in if they want. We challenge each other every week, and we come back on a Friday to share what we created with those three dares. If you're interested, please contact Tina, who's telling thank you, here on YouTube and on Instagram. I don't think you can contact her on YouTube anymore, but um, I think she'd prefer you to contact her on Instagram, and your Instagram page needs to be active at least 2 months. Means that you post, you comment, yada yada yada. You know all that stuff. So I wanted to share my creation. I used this die set. I used this. I used some cording from my stash. This is from Target, probably a couple years ago. I used this stamp set from. Oh my gosh, my finger. Sorry. I I did a doozy on my finger the other day. It still hurts, but anyway, it's slowly healing. I used this old Happy New Year stamp from Stampin' Up. I used some Stamp Pendus, detailed gold embossing powder. I use some teeny tiny eyelets. And yeah, let me just show you my creation. I created these two tags. Very simple, black and gold, for New Year's. And I like how they turned out. I haven't embossed or used my embossing powders um, that much, and I just love how they turned out. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Come join us on Instagram and see everybody's creations. So thanks for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.